Salve German learner, I'm Michael. I'm the creator of this channel. I'm also the creator of a very successful and wonderful German online course for self-learners. This channel is a bit different from what you will find out there. I'm not a YouTuber, I'm a proper teacher. I have studied the art of teaching German as a foreign language, and I've practiced it as well for now 20 years at least. And I've also sat in plenty of language courses myself, so I know the pains and the joys of learning languages, and I share these all the insights I've gained over the last 20 years with you in this channel and my online courses. So take a thorough and calm look around. You hopefully will enjoy what you find here, and if you want to learn German properly and structuredly, go to my online courses on smartergerman.com and then click on courses. You can preview the first lesson for free, and preview at Smarter German means you can work through it from A to Z and you will learn a lot alone with the free stuff. So I won't upload regularly stuff here, but I will share whatever comes to my mind occasionally. I'm more active in the forums that I run and have created. So if you want to get in touch with me, take a look at my online courses and the forums that come with them. I'm happy to meet you there. I hope you enjoy your German learning, whether it's with Smarter German or any other one. Doesn't matter, as long as you enjoy this beautiful language. Take care and hope to see you soon one day.